Hello children, we are discussing about the lesson food for all. We were discussing from last 3 days. Today I want to discuss you that food security, agricultural assistance program and organic farming. These three topics I want to discuss with you that what is the food security. Already you know that about the food we are studying about the food and the grains, how it is grown in the farm. About the agriculture, about the farming we are studying in this lesson. Actually, the food is a so basic need that without food no one can survive. What that is the exact that reason behind it, and what is the food security means what? The food security, it is a law, it is an enactment which is made in India also, that is a 2013. What is the reason behind it? That because due to the food security, these laws makes to everyone that to get the food, means that every individual person has right to get the food. Somewhere we know that the food is not getting some peoples, and the peoples are dying due to the starvation, and so that malnutrition also there. Everything I will explain that. See that. And according to their food is a basic need, many countries have made laws to ensure that every person gets the sufficient food. This is a law that, and according to this law, and these laws known as the food security law, means due to the law every individual has right to get the food. If supposed to be someone is that is not getting the food, the government should take care of that person's. Government should that is a supply the food to that person. That for that, you know that yesterday we seen that fair that price shop, that is ration cards people, those who are the poor, they get the food grains at the cheap rate. This is also one under that is a food security. That our country to enacted the food security law, it has made possible to fight like that is the malnutrition, starvation, and the death due to the hunger. Means the people should not that is a die due to the hunger, due to the starvation. Behind this is the main reason. That because you know that before the freedom, or in the past days many people were dying due to the starvation. This should not again happen. That's why that the government has made this law, that is a food security law. That now here the many countries have made law regarding the food security. All countries they made that, near about that is that 80% countries made the laws. That in India the food security laws made were enacted from the 2030. This date you have to that is a keep in mind. That malnutrition, starvation, and the deaths due to the hunger are controlled due to this law. Actually what happened, this law that is a control the malnutrition, starvation, and the deaths due to the hunger. That what is the starvation and what is the malnutrition? Starvation, it means that is a food, the people they don't get the food there, and there that is a hunger, it is not that is a completed that, and that is a due to that way, and the malnutrition, this one of the food deficiency disease, and that it occurs. Actually students, you should know that what is the malnutrition. That I will show you some pictures of the malnutrition what I know. Now see, this is a malnutrition picture. That the children's, the poor people, they don't get the food. That now you waste lot of food that while you eating the food. That you avoid that to wastage the food. That the many people are starving, many people they are suffering from the malnutrition. This is these children suffering from the malnutrition. It means that the children don't get the food. That now see, this is also the malnutrition food. That is that how he that is a slave. That and how you see this body structure, you see that no flesh, nothing, only the bones are there, face. It means that malnutrition is that these peoples, these persons, they are not getting the simple that is a carbohydrate, pulses, cereals, and that's why the government has made the law that is a food security. Second topic, it is the agricultural assistance program. What is the agricultural assistance program? The agricultural assistance program, it means that though this program, farmers are given the proper information and the guidance about the latest technology, irrigation facility, improved seeds use. So many things are there. The agricultural assistance program, it is a one that is a program which is conducted by the government, and the government gives the lot of information regarding the farming, agriculture to the farmers. In every district the agriculture assistant program it is there, every taluka agriculture assistant program is there, some government persons are there, like the Gram Sevak is there, Talati is there. In the district level, that is the one department is there, Krishi Vibhag, that is in the Krishi Vibhag, one that Sabhapati is there, and he gives the lot of information to the different technology, irrigation method, improved soil, that is the seeds, that everything he gives to the farmer. And the weather forecasting also it occurs, that is what happens there in the future and what would be the rain, that everything he will be say that. And the farmers also should go, that is in the every center, and they get the information. In addition to the agriculture schools have been, that in the every district some agriculture schools are there, universities are there. In the university agriculture, and they give the all the information. For better, I have one point, that points, you go through the points, we will go through the points and that point. See that first, agriculture assistant program has been started to proper information to the farmers about the latest technology, irrigation facility, improved seed. This information gets from the agriculture assistant program. Then weather forecast and agriculture related information is also given to the farmers. New technology, supposed to be any new technology is introduced regarding the farming, that, and that information also they may get from the agriculture assistant program. That all the the schools for the members of the family. Okay, agriculture produce marketing committee and the exhibition, that regarding the agriculture instruments, devices, improved seeds, fertilizer, organic that manure, that about it, that is every year the exhibitions that is conducted by the government. In 1998, one big agri advantage, that is exhibition, it was conducted in the Mumbai. That time, that program, it was very huge program it was there, and many farmers, our Nanded district farmers also went to see that agricultural, that is exhibition. In Nanded also, in New Monda, that every year, that is the agricultural exhibition, it was conducted by the agricultural departments, that regarding the different variety of the seeds, crops at the cheap rate. The people gets the all these grains, food grains, and they will see their different varieties, different instruments, different, that is agricultural tools, that everything they will be seeing that there. And that's why we have to attend that programs. Agricultural departments, agricultural universities, television, newspaper, various periodicals spread modern method of the agriculture. That regarding the agricultural, that is whatever the necessary information you may get through the agriculture assistant program, or the private also, on the television also, on the TV also. Doordarshan, one program it was, that is running that time in my childhood. Today also we can see that the programs every in the evening 7 o'clock, that Maji Sheti, Maji Mati, like that program, it was there, it is there. And then we can see that what is that why they are, that is telecasting all this program, because to spread the knowledge about the agriculture to the farmers. In the newspaper special, that is a weekly magazine, it is there, periodics are there, different things are there, so that agricultural information should spread throughout the country. That because our India is the mainly that agricultural country, that 70% that the people are depends on the agriculture. That's why regarding the agriculture information should, that is reach to every person. That due to all such measures, agriculture produce has increased. Except what the reason behind it, that to produce the, that is a more production, that more yield we get, that so that the food security, and that everyone should get the food. We should, that is we should, that is store the food in the warehouses, and after that we should, that is we can, that is export to the other countries, those who don't have the food. Behind this is the reason. That's why agriculture assistant program playing a very important role. New technology, new irrigation methods, new improved soil, that seeds, new information we are getting through this program, and this is conducted by the government. It is very important. That third point, it is the organic farming. That what is the organic farming? Farming done by using the natural and organic materials such as the fertilizer, pesticide, is the organic farming. The produce of the organic farming is safe without any chemical effects. Good to taste, nutritious, soil remains nutritive substances by this. Organic farming is a very important. It becomes the need today's farming, that if you not done this organic farming, really in the futures our farm, and it will be unfertile, and our that air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, it will be that is so dangerous. And that's why we have to stop that by doing the organic farming. The better way, again I will show you that what exact organic farming means. What that I have made the note that organic farming is a farming method that involves the growing and nutritive crops without the use of synthetic based fertilizer and pesticides. Chemical pesticides and fertilizers, we have to stop it, that we don't use more than, because when the green revolution, we saw that yesterday, that I was saying you that green revolution, it occurs due to the using this synthetic fertilizer, pesticides, all this. It was that time it was need that, but now regularly if you are using that, definitely our soil, it becomes unfertile, barren, and we that polluted, that is everywhere the pollution you will find that. That's why we have to stop it that. And today's farmers, they should move towards the organic farming. The farming that relies, that is depends on the natural organic material, is called as the organic farming. In the farming, that that those things naturally, that natural manures we should use in the farming. It is a form of the traditional agriculture. In this method, the nutritive substance in the soil retained. It means that when we use this that manure to the farm, that it remains in the soil, and soil, it will not disturb, it will not pollute that things is very important. The organic pesticide using these methods have no harmful effect on those who eat the produce. That that those things, it is grown in the organic farming. That supposed to be vegetables are there, fruits are there, which has grown in the organic farming, and that fruits, that vegetables, it has very good taste, that nutritious are there, and there are no any side effects after eating that food grains or the vegetables, and that is a fruits. That, and that's why it is very important that the food grains by this method is nutritious and good to the taste. That's why the farmers have started organic farming methods. Organic farming involves the use manure obtained from the plants and animals. These manures consist of the fish and bone meal, animal etc. Animal etc. is a very important, that you can make the manure at home also. That what exact organic manure, it means that now you see that every houses some wastage we generate, that we also generated the wastage, that the kitchen waste, you see that while we eat that, lot of that is that remain foods are there, that vegetables peels are there, all these things every day we have to take it there, and we have to make the small, that is a pit, and every day we have to put in that, and after that we close it there, and every day we pour the water. After 40 days, from that all wastage from it decomposed, and that is the manure can make that. And that manure, if you use for the plants, definitely plant, it will be healthy, and it will be grown, and that is a nutritious substance, and that is called as the manure. Now see here, agriculture assistant, I explained that. Now here sir, exact that organic farming, it means that involves that only I explained that. In this way, here I want to show you that some pictures. What that conservation and the sustainable use of the cultivated and the wild tropical fruit diversity, promoting the sustainable livelihood food. Regarding the food security, that we store the foods. Why we store the foods? Because anytime, yesterday I explained that any natural calamity when it comes, that and that times we should provide the food grains and all these things to the poor people, so we can survive that. And now this is a picture is regarding the organic farming, that the organic farming is a very that is a that all the whatever we provide the nutritious to the plants, this basically that animal etc., and that we should not use any chemical synthetic that fertilizer, and we have to take care like this. And when we take care more, and whatever the we get yield, that also it will be a so quality and good in taste. Now see, this is the organic farming, that how the peoples they are taking care, that how that crops has grown, that very naturally, it looks natural, and when we eat that time also more tasty and nutritious, no side effects. Now these are our day to day we use that, cabbage is there, that flower is there, tomato, carrot, potato, tomato, onion, all these things, which has grown in the organic farming. You can do the organic farming at home also. Small one thing I will say you that, take one that big basket and bring the soil from your the farming land, and small, that is a coriander also you can grow it. That within 1 month coriander it will come, and after that you use that, definitely it is very, that is very tasty and the nutritious. In this way here, see that again you go through the lesson systematically. Here one person it is there, how he is the regarding the tractor. Government has the many, some, that is projects are there, and that projects government want to give the loan, supposed to be those who are the poor farmer, they may get the loan also. This information also they may get from the agriculture assistant program. Now in this way here, again supposed to be, there are the two types of the agriculture. This is what you learn. Crop should be water only much as a necessary. That how much water is necessary, that much only we have to provide the water. That care should be taken when use the chemical fertilizer, pesticide. There the overuse should also be avoided. That actually what happens, we are, every farmer want to earn the more income, and for that he is using the chemical fertilizer, and that is very harmful to the farm and as well as for the environment. And that's why here the farmers should not use that, and all the farmers, everyone should move towards the organic farming. And organic farming, it was, it is a type of the traditional farming, but whatever the yield we get from it, that are very good. It will be tasty, and there is no any side effects, and we will be healthy, and environment will be healthy. In this way here I will stop here. uh, okay, good day, have a nice day.